The birthday list kicks off with a sweet 16 for Miss Lexi Carpenter. Lexi, this comes from love from Mom, Dad, and Noah. Lexi is celebrating in Carl Junction.
All right, and Brooklyn Katuna Smith is turning 17 years old this year in Nevada. Great picture there, Brooklyn. Happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, and both of your grandmas and grandpas.
Now this is Elizabeth Hopkins, who's turning 18, and at the ripe old age of 18, a senior at Pittsburgh High School. She founded what's known as the PHS Culinary Dragon. How great is that? And Elizabeth, I want you to know a happy birthday from Chef Anthony Fisher headed your way as well. Have a great day, Elizabeth.
All right, and in Frontenac, Steve Morrison turning the big 5-0 this year. Happy birthday, Steve.
Be nice to him. Not only Steve, but that dude right there. If you want your mail to show up in Carl Junction, he's a postmaster.
I love this picture.
And be nice to him. Wish him a happy birthday. You don't have any reason there not to do that. Frank, have a marvelous 61st, my friend.
All right, and we've got Peggy Spriggs turning 73 years old. What a great picture there, Peggy, in Oswego. Happy birthday.
Got a 73rd birthday as well from Mr. Merle Hamilton, Miss Merle Hamilton. She is celebrating in Jasper. Miss Hamilton, have a marvelous birthday.
All right, and we thank you for your service working at Freeman Hospital there. Janice Brown, as I understand, is turning 29 again in Joplin.
I often talk about this dude on air right here, who that is, as I like to say. Anyway, here's the best part about it, is that he knew his birthday was coming up. I refer to him oftentimes as the incomparable Caden Milner, and he's a wonderful, wonderful dude, and he's our morning news producer as well. He's just decided it's birthday week, and he's gonna go on vacay, which really opens up the door for me to just light into him.
Yeah. And the funny thing is, you know he's at home watching, because that's just the kind of guy.
Oh yeah,
yes.
He's a workaholic.
And this
hey, Caden,
position has completely destroyed
birthday.
his sleep habits, so he has to be awake watching us. We love you, Caden. Hope you're having a wonderful birthday and wonderful time off.
Absolutely enjoy your presence, my friend. Can't wait for you to get back. And him and his family with some exciting news recently, and so you know that we all wish you a wonderful congratulations.
How cool
on
that
that
the
news
news came right
as well.
before
Yeah,
his
happy birthday,
birthday.
Caden. Phil Weddle. Well, Phil turning 62. Mr. Weddle, he is in Girard, and Phil, you get the screen to yourself there, my friend. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Let's roll it.